I thought it was cute when my cat, Muffin, started bringing home gifts, until the objects turned sinister. Bloodstained feathers, tiny bones, and once, a torn piece of fabric that looked like it had been ripped from a child's dress. I laughed it off at first, thinking Muffin was just being a particularly adventurous hunter. But then, the dreams started. Dark, shadowy figures standing at the foot of my bed, whispering my name. I brushed it off as stress until I noticed the same figure in my waking life, always just out of the corner of my eye. One night, I woke to find Muffin sitting on my chest, staring at the foot of my bed, eyes wide and tail puffed. I followed her gaze, and there it was, a gaunt figure, eyes hollow and hungry. It pointed to Muffin's latest gift, a blood-stained locket, and whispered, "Return what was taken."